Yes. Hello students. Good morning to all. Today we will see some easy method of writing expanded form. Okay. We already talk about expanded form. It's a standard. It's standard normal form. When we write exam and our exam or other test, whatever it our academic yearly, you have to follow that only. But now I am telling on easiest short method, but you keep in that, but both are you have to know both method. Okay, so it is used for checking answer is checking right, is it right or wrong. So that time you will use this method. Okay, but don't use this method in your when you are writing examination, but you keep in this method when you checking answer. Okay, so I will tell you, this is a number. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 87 lakh, 20,832. We need to write expanded form. Okay, the full form. So how we write easy method. So first I take this number. So left, right to left is the first number. I will take 8. So I take 8 first. So after 8, how many digits are there? You have to count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So I will put 60 plus. Now I will take 7. So after 7, how many digits are there? You have count and put that much 0. Okay. So I will take 7. Then after 7, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 0. 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus. Then 2. After 2, how many digits are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits. Plus. So 0. So 0, no need to write place value. Okay, so 0 means 0. So 0 plus. After 8, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So 2 0 plus. After what number is there? 3. So after 3, how many digits? Only 1 digit. So only 1 0 plus 2. Is there any number after 2? No, there is no any number, so no need to put 0. So this is the expanded form. See, 8 lakh, 7 lakh, 87 lakh, 20,832. So is the easiest method, na? Okay, students. Let me see the short form method. Expanded form to short form or standard form. Okay, we can say short form or standard form. How we do easy method. Okay, let me see. First of all, when we do standard form, expanded form to standard form, first we have to remember one important important things. First, we have to check the given digits are placed in place value, exact place value. First we have to check, then we can write standard form. Okay, so how to check the given digits are exact place value or not? First, how to check? So first we take it's a ones place, so 1 digit. Okay, so it's a 1 place. This is 10 place, so ones tens, so exactly matching. So ones tens. Then another next place 1000 place, 100 place. So ones, tens, 100. Okay, it's matching. Then after 100, what? 1000 place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So matching. Then another 10,000 place. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, matching. Then after lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakhs. So the given number is matching for place value. So if it is matching, we can directly take the place value numbers. So one's place value, what's the one place value? 2. So tens place, what's the value? Tens place 3. 100 place value ones, tens, 100. So leave this 0, take these numbers only. 2. Then 1000 place value ones, tens, 100, 1000. So remove this 0, take this 1000 place value 3. Then 10,000 place ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So remove the 0, 10,000 place, what number is that? 9. So we take 9 only. Then same, we remove this 0, take this 4 only. So see, now we can ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So 4 lakh 93,232. It's a short form or standard form. So I hope students you easily understand how to write expanded form to standard form. Okay. Okay, students. Before going the topic, I will tell you some information. You listen carefully. When you going to write a short form or a standard form, you have to remember, you have to check these rules and regulations. First place, the given digit, you have to check the given digit. If first place there is no 0, that's a ones place, you already know. Okay, as per the place value chart, if there is no 0, it's a ones place. If there is 10, that's a tens place. Okay, if there is 20, that is 100 place. Okay, if there is 30, that is 1000 place. Okay, if there are 40, that is 10,000 place. If there is 50, it's a lakh place. If there is 60, it's a 10 lakh place. If you check these rules, so the given digit as is a proper order. So you can take the each place value of that given digit. You can take and write easily standard form. Okay. So now let me see how to write for check these rules and how to write a standard form. Okay. Okay. Before I told you, if there is no 0, that's a ones place. So is there any 0? No. So no 0 means it's a ones place. If it is 10, it's a tens place. So here 10 is there. Okay. So it's a tens place. Okay. Then if it is 20, if there is 20, it's a 100 place. So it's a 100 place. If there is 30, it's a 1000 place. So yes, 30 is there. So 1000 place. If there is 40, it's a 10,000 place. Okay. So the given number is order continuously. They have match as per the place value chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. If it is continuously if their given number, if it is given number, we have easily write standard form or short form. Like we take first 3, 1 place, then 10 place 3, 100 place 3, 1000 place 3, 10,000 place 3. So we can write easily. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 33,333. So if first it is easy, when it is easy, first you have to check the given number as continuous place value. Continuous place, if it is match continuous place value chart, you can take the number and write standard form. It is very easy. If any number missing, that time you can you can do some other options. I will tell you later. Okay. Okay, students. Let me see. Before we saw one example. It's easy. You can easily write. You can write easily as a standard form. Expanded form to standard form. Now see this kind of sum. When you face, it's little bit difficult. But I will tell some easy method. You follow this method, you can easily find it. See, first you have to find out the place value of given number. It's an expanded form. Now we are going to write the standard form. Okay, standard form. So first we have to find out the place value of the given number. So what is the place value of this number? First of all, we have to remember this table. There is no zero, it's a ones place. For when we write expanded form to standard form, we have to remember this one. When there is no zero, it's a ones place. So here, this is the ones place. There is no zero, so ones place. If there is 30, actually as per the place chart, 10, then no 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the standard format. But here 10, 20 missing. So what is there? Only 30. In this table, 30 means what is the place value? 1000 place value. So this is the 1000 place value. Okay. Then after that, 1000 after as per the place chart, 1000, 10,000. But 10,000 means how many zeros? 4 zeros required. But here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. So if it is 50, what's the place value of this number? Lakh place. So I found what are the place value of the given number. So it's a one place, it's a 1000 place, it's a lakh place. Okay, it's not a proper standard format. So now we want to write the standard format. Okay, standard format means what? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is the standard format place. So we want to write standard form. So one place we have to write ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. This is standard format chart. So we have to take and write standard format. So one place 7 is there. So no problem. Then after, what's the place value of the chart? 10 place. But here there is no 10 place. So we have to put 0. Then another, what is the place value? 100. Here there is no 100 place value. So again you put one more 0. Then other place value 1000. 1000 place value, what is the place? 1000 place value is there? 7. So no need to write 0. You take only 7. So 1000 place you put 7. Then what is the next value? 10,000. But here there is no 10,000. Here you have to put 0. Then other place value what? Lakh. So lakh place value here 2. So 2 is there. You just write 2. So what the how we read? 3, 2. So 2 lakh 7,007. This is the easy method. Students, you see this video again and again. You just write, when you write expanded form to short form, you write in a rough sheet these rules. No 0, 1 place, 1 0, 10 place, 2 0, 100 place. It will help you when you write this expanded form to short form or standard form. It will easily help you. So you can write easily. If it is missing any place value, you can find it. Okay. So you can write easily standard form. Okay. Let me see some other method for writing expanded form to standard form. Okay. Before I told you one method. If you feel easy, you follow that method, or else you have to try this method also. Okay. So first I will take this expanded form. First I will write this number 1 2 3 4 5 0. Okay. Then another 7,000. So another 7. So 7. You add 0 plus 0, 7, 7 only. So 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 2. So you check this answer. Before I told you one method, that answer, both are same. Okay. So 2,07,007. So it's an easy method, na? If you feel easy, you follow this method, or else that method. Okay. Let me see another example how to write expanded form to standard form. Okay. This is the given number. First we have to find out the given number place value. Okay. So place value. So first we have to remember these rules. no zero is a 1 place, 1 0 is a 10 place, 2 0 is a 100 place, 3 0 is a 1000 place, 4 0 is a 10,000 place, 5 0 is a lakh place, 6 0 is a 10 lakh place, 7 0 is crore place, 8 0 is a 10 crore place. We know already. Okay, so you have to remember these rules and regulation. You can find easily the place value of the given number. Okay, so here there is no zero, it's a ones place, so we find it. Then we have to find another number place value. So 10 is there, so 10 means it's a tens place. Very good. Then next, if it is 30, it's a 100, 20 is 100 place, but 40 is there. Okay, so if it is 30, it's a 1000 place. So there is no 20, there is no 30, but 40 is there. So 40 means it's a 10,000 place. So 10,000 place. But 100,000 place missing. Okay. Then you have to find out 10,000 after what the place value? Lakh. So lakh, how many zero? 50. So 50. So it's a lakh place. Then next 10 lakh place, no? So how many zero? 60. Okay, it's a 10 lakh. Okay, good. Now we find the place value of the given digit. Now we can write easily. So what is the place as per the place value chart? What is the chart? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is the place value chart. Okay. Now we have to convert standard expanded to standard form. How to do this? So first ones place, what is the value? 5. We take and write. Then 10 place, 3 is there. Okay. Then another place, 100 place. But here there is no 100 place. See, 1000, sorry, 10,000 is there. 100,000 place missing. So what, when we miss the place value, what I told you, you put 0. So 100 place there is no number, so I put 0. Okay. Then next place, 1000 place. Here 1000 place also missing. So we put one more 0. Okay, wait. Then next 10,000 place. Here 10,000 place, what the number is there? 3. Okay. Then another place, lakh place. Lakh place, what the value is there? 7. Very good. Then next place value, 10 lakhs. What the number is there? 8. So as per the Indian place value, you put comma. So 87 lakh 30,000 35. It is easy method, na? I will tell you the another method. This is second method. Another method I will tell you. Listen. So first you write this number. Six. Okay, then this one, then 30, then 5. So just add 5, 3, 0, 0, 3, 7, 8. Same answer. 87 lakh 30,000 35. So both are same. If you feel difficult on that method, you can use this method also. It is very easy. Okay.